is me Ansari Shabnam, your maths and science teacher. Today we are going to do worksheet 4, unit 1, class 4 mathematics. In last video you saw worksheet 3. Now we are going to do worksheet number 4. In worksheet number 4, your first question is look at the place value chart given below and write the place value of the encircled digit. ये जो chart है आपका, this chart you will draw as it is in your copy. आपकी जो notebook है उस notebook में आप इस chart को as it is draw करोगे. उसके बाद आपको आंसर लिखना है. How will you answer it? How will you write the answer of it? हाँ, you will draw the chart as it is जैसे ये दिया हुआ है and you will encircle whichever number is encircled in your book. Okay, then you will write for a number you will write the answer as the place value of 5 in this number. 29,056 is 50. How you are going to write the answer? I am just going to show you how you will write the answers. Okay, question नहीं मैं बता रही हूँ, I am just showing you the answers. This is how you will write. A. Question 1. The place value of 5 in 29,056 is 50. Is what? Is 50. Now let us see second one. B number में क्या है? In B number you have a number like this 740313. That is 7,40,313 and here 4 is encircled. और 4 की place क्या है? 10,000 की. तो 4 का क्या value हुआ? 4 की place value क्या होगी? 40,000. So this is how you will write. The place value in is 40,000. Is what? Is 40,000. Okay, 40,000 है. In C the number is 5,832. 5,832 में आपका 2 is encircled. So and the place of 2 is ones. Ones है उसका place, तो इसका value क्या होगा? Obviously the number itself, वो number ही रहेगा. That is 2. So how you will write? The place value of 2 in 5,832 is 2. Okay. This is very, very simple. D and E you will do yourself. Now let's move to question number 2. Our question number 2 is write down the place value of the digits in bold. The digits which are bold, as you can see, मैंने उसको dark कर दिया बिल्कुल. It's really bold. The number which is the digit which is bold, what is the place value of that digit you have to write. Question number 1 में तो हमने देख लिया how to write the answer. Now you have to write the digit which are bold. यहाँ पर क्या bold है? 4 is bold over here. So what is the place value of 4? पहले देख लो. 1 tens 100. 100 है. Place is 100, so place value will be 400. Let us write. The place value of 4 in 3491 is 400. As simple as that. As much more as you practice, जितना ज़्यादा practice करोगे, the sentences will be fixed in your mind. You will know how to write it, है ना? When it is difficult, mathematics. When is mathematics difficult? When you don't understand the language. जब आपको language नहीं समझ आती है, आपको math नहीं समझ आता. And you think कि नहीं, maths is difficult subject. Maths is not a difficult subject. Maths is really very easy and beautiful subject. When you don't understand the language, you have problem there. First you will have to understand the language, what it is saying, what is the meaning of it, how to do it. Then you will know how to do it. Okay. again and again the sentence get fixed into your mind कि अरे इसको तो ऐसे लिखना. This is how you have to write. This is how we have to write. This is how I have to write. 80109. Here 0 is bold. Listen one thing. Wherever the 0 is, how much ever the number is bigger, the place value of 0 will remain 0. In whichever place it is, whether it is at the place of ones, tens, 100,000, lakh, 10 lakh crore, 10 crore, wherever it is, the place value of 0 will always be 0. Okay, let's write the place value of 0 in 80109 is 0. And do you know the difference between 0 and O? क्या O और 0 सेम होता है? No. O is a real circle. O is circle. But 0 is not a circle. 0 is little elongated. If you see your keypad, you will come to know कि 0 में और O में difference है ना? Now see question number 3. Question number 3 is also same. You have a number, one digit is bold, you have to write the place value of that bold digit. Here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So the place value of 3 in this number is 3 lakh. This is how you will write, huh? The place value of 3 in 321893 is 3 lakh. Is 3 lakh, 6 zeros. How many zeros are there? That is a very popular question. How many zeros are there in 1 lakh? How many zeros are there in 1 crore? How you know that? How many zeros are there? Just count the place values. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. Lakh has 6 digit. 6 digit है तो एक तो digit होगा और बाकी सारे zero होंगे तो 5 zeros will be there. 5 zeros. Now D. Here 0 is bold. Again, as I told you that wherever 0 is, in whichever place 0 is, the place value of 0 will also remain 0. Always. Just close your eyes and write it. 0 की place value कहीं भी हो ना तो बस आँख मूंद के उसको 0 लिख देना है. It is 0 always. Here the place value of 6. The place value of 6 in 76,321 is 6,000. 6 or 30. 6,000. Shall I write it? Okay, let me write. See, I don't believe in giving all the answers. I believe in just making your concept clear. Once you know, once you understand the concept, you don't need the answers. You just need the concepts, how to do it. If you learn it once, अगर एक बार आप सीख जाते हो तो whichever question is, how much so ever questions you get, you will be able to solve. So I don't solve all the questions that are there in the book. If you will see that 1 or 2 questions I always leave for you to solve it. समझ आ गया उसको solve कर लो. Don't always be a spoon feeder, है ना? स्पून फीडर बन करके मत रहो कि आपको बस स्पून से खिलाया जा रहा है, बस आप वही खा रहे हो. ट्राई टू टेक द कॉन्सेप्ट्स इन योर माइंड. कॉन्सेप्ट लेना सीखो. अगर आपको कॉन्सेप्ट एक बार समझ आ गया ना, देन इट विल बी रियली वेरी इजी फॉर यू टू गो इन लाइफ. नाउ लेट अस सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. क्वेश्चन 3 इज अंडरलाइन द न्यूमरल इन विच द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 8 इज 8,000. 8,000 नहीं 80,000. हाँ, it's 80,000. See the number first. पहला वाला न्यूमरल देखो, ones, tens, 100,000. ये तो 8,000 है. No, this is not the answer. Second one, this is at ones place, so this is not the answer. C नंबर देखेंगे. C में क्या है? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. 10,000 की प्लेस पे अगर 8 है, इसका मतलब ये 80,000 है. So this is the answer. It is asked to underline, so we have underlined it. Now let's move to question number 4. Question number 4 is, underline the numeral in which the place value of 2 is 200. See the first numeral. In first numeral, the place value of 2 is very large. ये तो 2 lakh है, ये नहीं. 1 tens 100, yes. 200. यहाँ भी नहीं है, यहाँ भी नहीं है. Now see question number 5. Compare the place value of encircled digits. You have to compare the place value of encircled digit. Here, the place value of 7 will be what? It is 1 tens 100,000 10,000. 1 tens 100,000 10,000 lakh 7 lakh. And here it is 70. So it is greater. This is greater than 70. So with this question, we have completed our worksheet number 4. In next video, we'll be doing worksheet number 5. Bye-bye and take care.